Hi, this is Jebb Adams. I'm here with this Singer 500J, Gina, and what I'm going to be doing today is removing the needle tension assembly, cleaning it, and then replacing it. This machine I haven't restored this machine, or apart from an occasional oiling and greasing, especially when it first arrived here a few months ago. I haven't done too much with this machine. So the person I got it from mentioned that there was tension issues, and this was very, very tight. So that needs to come off and give it a really good cleaning, and then set it, and then eventually at the end of the process we'll do a little sewing test, but that won't be today. Today I'm just going to take it off, do what I got to do, and get it back on there. Ooh, that's heavy. Then there's another screw here. And there we have it. I'll just move that sewing machine out of the way. In this container, I have 100% crud cutter. In this container, I have no-name dishwashing liquid and just a little bit of water. And in this one, I have water to rinse after done with the first two. I also have a hair dryer plugged in, ready to go, that I tried already. Comes off. That unscrews. Oopsie daisy, and comes off. Here is the stop washer. And this one is flat, like the prong sticking out there. It doesn't point to the rear or the front, so it can go on either way. Then we have the beehive spring. Then we have this. And I still don't know what this is called, but I can tell you what it does. And I can show you the results of what it does. So here we have a pin. That pin is right there. And when we lift up the pressure bar lever at the back of the sewing machine and we raise it, that bar also presses this in, and it frees up the discs so that we can move the thread without it breaking or whatever. So that pin, when it comes forward against the beehive spring, and the stop washer is the resistance, but where the pin actually hits is right there where it's discolored. How's that? Right there. So these two, I'm not going to put in the crud cutter. They're not sticky. Let's try that again. This dishwashing soap that we do our dishes in, it's a great cleaner, I've learned from experience and from other people's experience. I've been doing a lot of learning on this channel for a lot of years. So there, that stuff is still soaking in the crud cutter. I don't need the baby screwdriver or the pointer pencil. Those we're going to put over there for now. Those are the two little screws that we need, the set screw and then the one that goes in there. That'll get washed before anything goes on there. And I want to clean out that channel in there where the stud lives. That little turned tail that goes into one of these splines, one of these gear spaces. So it goes in, well, it goes in actually like that. We want this hanging down. Once we get it on and we adjust it, that's another story, but for now we just want it hanging down. And then we get, then what do we get?